A lot of Roblox users ask the question how to get voice chat on the Roblox. This guide will definitely help you here today. First thing you need to do is either go and open up the Roblox app or just head to the Roblox website. Now you need to go to the top right of Roblox and tap on the gear or icon. Go to the settings. Then once you're in settings, you need to come to the account info. Go to verify my age and then you will see the identity verification pop up, and what we need to do is go and prepare a valid ID. Now we will here scan the QR code, so what we can do is most of the time we can just use our camera app or a QR scanner app. Get a link pop up, you can tap on it. Open up and it's going to take you straight to the page where you need to go. Bring a valid government issued ID of yours and make sure that for your own selfie, you're well lit. Now allow access to your camera and take a photo of your documents photo page. Then it will go and say processing and will inspect it all. Remember that this is really safe because Roblox is a big company and there are no reports of stealing information. Within a few seconds, it now says your age is verified. Once your age is verified, tap on privacy and refresh the page. Now you will get here beta features. Here's an option to enable voice chat. So what we are going to do is press on the switch and agree to the stuff here. Make sure you read through this and click enable. Now hop on to Roblox game and you will be able to see a mic above your head. Make sure your input and outputs are correct and you're good to go. We hope that you could have enabled voice chat on your Roblox. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.